You will be learning many skills in this module to help you succeed in your studies and your professional life. And one of the most important is how to expand your vocabulary. Any kind of language use is more successful if you have a wide vocabulary. Without words, you won't understand what you read and hear, and you won't be able to express yourself in writing or verbally. This may be the biggest cause of frustration for language learners. In fact, I believe that having a wide vocabulary is the most important goal for both language learners and native speakers. A wide vocabulary will help you to research and write your assignments, to understand your lecturers, and to participate in tutorials and seminars like the tutorial you'll be participating in this course. Academic writers need to be exact and specific in order to say exactly what they mean. A wide vocabulary will help you to choose the best word for every situation and avoid vague words that do not give your readers a good sense of your meaning. Developing your vocabulary is not difficult or painful. At least 15 minutes a day of concentrated study on a regular basis can bring about a quick improvement in your vocabulary skills, which can in turn increase your ability to communicate effectively. An individual word fits into a complicated system of language. Words are stored in the mind in networks of association, according to Aitchison, 2003. She reports that the four most common types of association are coordination, collocation, superordination, and synonymy. There are many things to learn about any particular word, such as how to use it in writing and how to pronounce it, and there are many degrees of knowing. Therefore, learning a word can be thought of as an incremental process along a continuum of word knowledge. Stahl, 1986, suggested 3 stages of word knowledge along a continuum. Those stages are association, comprehension, and generation. What do you think these 3 stages mean? In order to get to stage 3, generation, you need to put in lots of effort. Watch the video below for some very valuable advice. Watch the video again, starting from 2 minutes 42 seconds and finishing at 3 minutes 15 seconds. The speaker advises students to record various features of new words and gives an example. Read the following abstract from an academic journal article and record any new words using the speaker's advice from the video. An example is given below. If you're a visual learner, you may prefer to learn new vocabulary using a mind map, like the one below. Remember, in order to get to stage 3, generation, you need to automatize these new words. That means you need to read and use the words regularly until they are stored in your long-term memory. Then you will be able to understand and produce them automatically, and that's the goal. Here's a link to the academic word list mentioned in the YouTube video you just watched. Use it to help you widen your vocabulary.